welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I know it's been a long time since I've done a hair review, but I decided for 2025 that one of my goals is to be a sew-in girly, and in order to be a sew-in girly you need to get some bundles. I decided to pick up some yummy hair extensions because I was doing a lot of research on TikTok, obviously like pre-ban, even though it's not really like banned for real, but on TikTok and on Instagram. And I was inspired to pick up raw hair because me and my cousin Sabrina had talked about it a while back, and she says that she really enjoys raw hair and she just invests her money and it just lasts a long time. So I decided, since I was going to be a sew-in girly for 2025, that I would invest as well, and I decided to invest in these bundles. Where I picked up 3 bundles of the raw Cambodian natural straight, and that is what I have installed in my hair right now. So my stylist was very determined to fit all 3 bundles in my head. She didn't quite get all 3, but I think she got like 2 2/3 bundles in my head, and this is what the hair is looking like. And just off first impressions, I just love how shiny the hair is, how bouncy it is. And one thing that I really noticed that separates like raw hair from like Amazon hair or virgin hair or Remy hair is this hair was full all the way to the ends. The ends were very, very full, and that was something I really appreciated about this hair. I got this hair installed on the 17th. It's currently the 20th, so I've had it in for 4 days. And I can say, in terms of holding a curl, this hair holds a curl, okay? It really holds a curl. So this is how the curls are looking. And again, I've had these curls for the past 4 days. I have not touched this hair up at all. Like, a flat iron, a curling iron has not seen this hair since the day that I left the salon. So in order to maintain the curls, what I've been doing is just pin curling. So I just take a section like this, wrap it around my fingers, and then I just go ahead and twist it up like this. And then I just take a clip that in place, and then I go ahead and do that for the rest of my head, put on a satin scarf, then put my bonnet on top. And then in the morning, I just take it out, and the curls just look so beautiful. So if you're curious about whether this hair holds a curl, it does. It does very well. Like, I've had no issues so far. Additionally, what I really like about the hair is it feels nice and soft, but it's also kind of thick. Like, I feel like this is some thick hair. I feel like I probably could have gotten away with 2 bundles, but again, I told you my stylist was determined to get in as much hair as humanly possible, and she double wefted, I think, most of the tracks in here. And I have a small head, so she did an amazing job getting all of these bundles in my head. But like I said, the hair is nice and thick, and I probably could have done 2, but I love the fullness that I'm getting from like 2 2/3 bundles. But I will say I did not pay full price for these bundles. I know how expensive like bundles can really get, and I'm not trying to pay those prices. So I decided to take advantage of Yummy Hair Extensions Black Friday sale. For one bundle of the 18-inch raw Cambodian natural straight hair, it does retail for $165 for one bundle. But again, I told you guys I picked this up during Black Friday, so I end up getting a decent discount. So instead of $165, I paid $107 for each bundle, which is still like over $300 for 3 bundles, but a way better price than getting it for retail price. But overall, for 3 bundles of the Cambodian natural straight, I paid $377, including tax and including shipping. When I received the bundles, each bundle came in its own individual satin bag, and then it came in this mesh bag as well. But what also came with the hair was, of course, the receipt, and then this thank you card that also has hair care tips on how to maintain the hair on the back. So there's a QR code that you can scan, and this just gives you like all of the maintenance tips. It takes you directly to their website, and they give you a list of specific products that they want you to use to maintain this hair, to wash this hair, to co-wash this hair. All of that information is included, which I greatly appreciate. In terms of shedding, there's very minimal shedding with this hair, so I'm just going to run my fingers through the hair, and there is no shedding so far. I will say my stylist did cut the wefts for my install, so when I initially brushed through, there was a little bit of shedding, but obviously that's what happens when you cut the wefts. But other than that, I haven't experienced any shedding from this hair, which I think is amazing because I've definitely got some Amazon hair and there's been a lot of hair, okay, that's been following me around. On top of the curls, another thing that I noticed about this hair is it is nice and shiny, as well as I haven't really had like any tangling with this hair. As you can see, I can just run my fingers through the hair and there is no tangling. But again, it has been like 4 days, so I wouldn't expect any tangling, because if there was, there would obviously be a problem. But I can do an update if you guys are interested in like a 2-week update, a 3-week update, a month update, 2-month update, because I'll probably have this hair in for 2 months, or if I reinstall the hair. Let me know in the comment section below if that's something you're interested in seeing, you know, bringing it back to the old YouTube days where people actually like kept bundles in their head for more than a couple weeks. But so far, I'm really just loving this hair. It is just nice and shiny. It's soft, it's bouncy. Like, I just love this hair so much, and honestly I'm kicking myself in the butt for not investing in raw hair sooner. If you were wondering about Yummy hair extensions, I definitely recommend at this point. Don't hold me to that, because obviously again I've only had this hair in for 4 days, but so far so good and I'm really enjoying the hair. Lastly, I did want to mention the main reason why I purchased this hair was because raw hair is supposed to last 3 to 5 years. So with proper care, hopefully, you know, these bundles will last me a few years. And I also didn't know that people were reinstalling and reusing their bundles. I don't know what I was doing. I thought people just bought new bundles every time I got the hair done. But that's a story for another time. So I will, if these bundles hold up, be reinstalling them for my next install. But again, so far so good. I'm loving this hair. Also, if you've tried Yummy hair extensions, definitely let me know. Let me know if there's any other textures I should be trying out. Like, let me know what your experience has been with this hair, because so far so good. I'm really enjoying this hair and I just think that it just looks so beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you guys want to see updates on this hair. Like I said, I plan on leaving this install in for at least 2 months. So if you guys want to see like a month update or anything like that, let me know. Otherwise, make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more to come.